What you doing, Bron?
Sewing our dive bag back together again. It's 30 years old and it's just about given up the ghost.
So the other day we had a great sail up from, where did we sail up from, Bron?
The reef, Eddie.
Eddie Reef, that's right. Really good winds. About a 14-hour sail. Anyway, on the deck we found these. I don't know if you can see them, but we don't know where they're from.
Yeah,
These two plastic pieces. So we don't know where they're from. We suspect they're from the rigging. A mast is fitted with mast steps that help me climb up. I'll also have spinnaker halyard attached to me, and I've got a climbing harness on. Bron will be manning the halyard while I go up, and luckily I'm only going to the first spreader, so it's not that high up. It's probably only about 15 metres off the water. But as luck would have it, as soon as you start these things, a swell seems to come in and the boat develops a bit of a rock, so we'll see. So guys, what we've got is a double figure of 8 knot that climbers use. One figure of 8, then another figure of 8 back through it, clipped onto the diving. The climbing harness, and Bron's just double checked it. Okay, Bron?
Okay.
Alright.
Yep, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I had to undo it. Are you going to use the main halyard as a grip?
Oh.
Let me tighten it.
Not going down below anything, that's all.
Yeah, okay.
So just
Yeah, alright. Wait till it stops rocking.
hey,
Wait till it stops rocking a bit. How are you feeling?
hey,
How are you feeling?
yeah, okay.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Now you're going to take the weight off this, right?
Yeah.
They don't have a choice. Okay, so what we found was everything's good. It was just a plastic cover to protect the sail from the spreaders. So we're good to sail, which is great news, and we'll have it looked at when we get to Cairns and probably put